Okay, this is Graclyn finally looking at her first bird. Here's Salem.
What you gonna do, baby? You gonna get that bird?
I'm waiting for her mouth to move. Like how they do that crazy thing. I don't know if she's gonna do it.
Come on, Gracie. You see that bird?
Oh, there he goes. You saw it. Oh my god. I'm sorry, that's so funny. I'm sorry, I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing with you, honey.
He's a sweet baby. Oh boy. Where you wanna go, Gracie? Where you wanna go?
And there's Salem. Salem, can you say hey? Salem. Salem. God, look at those eyes. I love those eyes.